Here is how we can delete iPhone messages all at once. So let me show you some ways we can approach this. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first place I would go to is the settings app, where at the bottom of the main page, we have apps. And from those, you can get to the messages directly, as I did. And again, so many ways you can customize and tweak the behavior of Messages app, but I want you to find the message history, and there are essentially three options. You use your iPhone for years, literally, and you keep on receiving text messages. So what are we supposed to do with them? Do you keep all of them, or do you want them to be deleted automatically in the background? So this is what this option is for. But right now, in my case, you can see I have messages set to keep forever, but I can click on it and I decided that I only want to keep messages for 1 year or 30 days. So if I quickly want to delete messages which are older than 30 days, I can select this, and it's going to give me the pop-up that messages older than 1 month will be permanently deleted and I can't undo it. So I can also choose it to be 1 year. So essentially messages older than 1 year will be gone forever. And with a click of a button, those will be gone, right? So this is like a quick way to get rid of a lot of messages. So that's fine, but if you want to just delete literally everything, even those like latest ones within the last 30 days, you would then just go to the settings and the messages, and you can just keep on selecting all of the chats and such, and now click on the delete and you will be able to put everything into the trash, which is also a very quick way to achieve that. So yeah, this is how I would delete all of the messages at once. Let me know your thoughts, and if it worked the same way for you too, hit the thumbs up if it did, and subscribe for more so you don't miss anything, and I'll talk to you later.